Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. You know, these days I'm very active. I'm very, very active. So, guys, this is what happened. Our code 121 made wonders. Boom. Bonus. Straight. There's nothing to hide or anything. It came right. Then this code 121. Remember when you say 1 plus 2, it gives us a 3, and then they get the 31 there, which was there. You're on point. If we say 1 minus, it will give us an 11 definitely, which is okay. So without wasting time, this code 121, we still have a 22, we still have a 20 there, we still have a 18, we still have an 11. So 13 is dropped, 21 is dropped. So which means this 12 is still pending, you understand? So let's just go back to the diagram, then we will know exactly what we are doing from there. Perfect. So our diagram says this. Where is the diagram? Here is it now. So what happens here is, this is the diagram, guys. You know what, there's something that I always forget, but today I'm gonna do it. The 87 strategy, the boom code, it's called the boom code. So here we use the previous bonus, then we multiply by 87, we get 1218. So what is going to happen here is our code, this one, it still says 121, which means our 12 is still there, or our 211 is still there, just in case. 1 plus 21 is 22, 1 minus that is 20. So this is a good combination. Then now, guys, because if we add 12 plus 1, it gives us a 13. So a 13 is also a pending number. If we subtract, we get an 11. So today, should it be 11 or 22 on the other hand? Okay, but 12 is still the banker. There's no way to run. 1211 is still the banker on both Betway and UK49. Okay, so we jump over to the second code, which is 132. Code 132. 1 plus 32 is 33. That is already dropped. And this 31 came as well. It was 13, but the 12 is still there. The 3 came. Oh, this code was a jackpot code. 132, it was a killer code. But these are the codes that we're going to use still on tea time, because it's not yet exhausted, and it's the same codes that we're going to use on tea time. So please don't be confused and say coach is repeating a video. I'm not repeating a video. I'm actually repeating the codes, because the system tells me that the codes are these are the codes, you know. I don't have to change anything. Okay, and then the boom code says 1221, 1218, which gives me a 12, 11, and 28, and an 8. This is a 4 number. Trust me, this is a 4 number. They can spin, because this is what happens each and every time. Remember, I always tell you guys about spinning and splitting. But now the boom code says it's 12, 11, 18, or 8. So the boom code already has given us what we need. Because if we say 13, if we say 13 plus 2, that gives us a 15. If we say minus that, it gives us an 11. So guys, this is what it is. I don't have more. The rest, there's a lady was asking me about Italian Zonel 570. Those games I cannot be posting on YouTube because people don't actually watch that. And you know, it costs me also time. And guys, it's not just an easy thing to upload a video. I have to sit down and calculate before I post for you guys, because I can't just post something that won't benefit people. I post something because I need you guys to benefit as well. You understand? So yeah, guys, another thing, please, I know it's January, but once you get something, come and purchase the books. I negotiate to give you 50% on all books, because it's January, people don't have money. Instead, we need to make more money. So guys, big up. This is what it is. Please support the channel and keep on subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Boom.